Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to give you the solution for Hacker101 CTF for this particular lab, a little something to get you started. So let's start this. Okay, so this is the page that we are getting. First of all, what we should do is whatever the IP over here is, we should run nmap on it. So I'll do nmap -sv. Okay, I just need to run my nmap on the IP. Meanwhile, this nmap is running, I can also start a directory search to find any hidden directories. For this, I'll go to my pen testing tools directory. In this, I have directory search, then so this should be your approach while doing bug bounty or any CTF. And while this thing is happening over here, let me just check my port scan. Okay, so I have got port 22, port 53, port 80. First, I'll try SSH root @ my IP address to see if there is any root allowed over SSH. Okay. So root access is not allowed. Let me see if I have got any directory over here. So our directory search is also complete, but we have not found any directory, any hidden directory. Okay, now we will do the inspect element and we'll just see the source code. So we don't have much over here in the source code. Let's see the header tag. In this we have the style tag. Over here we can see this background image URL. Okay, let me just copy this, paste it over here, and here we have got a flag, and this particular lab had only one flag. We can submit our flag from here. Obviously I have already submitted, that's why I'm getting this message, but this means that my flag is valid. Thank you for watching this video. Do like and comment on this video and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Goodbye and happy learning.